Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have a quick haul from Home Depot. I picked up another Black Friday deal. Today is December 15th, 2020. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up the Milwaukee M18 fuel, part number 2853-22, Paul Ostrich. It is the red lithium high output CP 3.0 kit. It comes with the 2853 impact driver, as well as two CP or compact 3.0 batteries with the 21700 cells, and it comes with a M18 and M12 charger. It's just a standard charger, and it comes with a Packout case. I picked this up. I got it for $179. It says special buy kit, $455 value, and I did do the math with all of these items at their normal prices, and normal prices, the impact driver at $179 by itself. The two high output CP 3.0 batteries at their normal price of $169, and the charger, I guessed on the charger about $50. Could be about $45. I think it might be a $45 charger, something in there. And then $69 for the case. It comes out to about $468, something like that. The 2-pack of the CP 3.0 batteries was $99. While I was there, it's now $129. So a lot of the deals went up. The Packout box it comes with is 4822-845. Is that Packout box. This is the second Packout item I've picked up. I actually wanted the batteries and the Packout. I have the one key version of this impact driver, so figured, I don't have the regular version of the impact driver. Maybe, what task I'm doing, I don't necessarily need the one key or the functionality of the one key, so I can always just use this one instead. Again, it's the 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit, 2853-22, Paul Ostrich, or PO. PO stands for Packout. Turn it around here. Got all the store stickers and everything on it, but here's the Packout number. 1/4-inch hex, specifications on the back. Max torque 2,000 inch-pounds, RPM 0 to 3600, IPM 0 to 4300, so 3600 revolutions per minute and 4300 impacts per minute. Single hand bit insertion, yes. Length, weight 4.59 inches and 3.53 pounds. It's got all the information about the red length, intelligence, and all that stuff on it. This is actually the nicest one I could find. It does look like, might not pick up on camera. There you go. It looks like it's quite stuffed up on the box, but we're gonna put this in the fire pit anyways. Grab a knife real quick out of my pocket. I'm gonna cut these tabs on the back. Pull the camera back. I'm just gonna pop it out the box real quick. Here, open it. show you guys the box, so the box is off. It's easier to see. Whatever. Alright. And the store that I picked this up is actually my normal store, you know, in Santan. This does have the styrofoam insert. You got your little entry right there. Your instruction manual. It would have been nice if it had the Kaizen foam, but you know, the foam insert's not bad. Second battery. Comes with 1 bar of charge. This one has 1 bar of charge as well. Kind of wish that they wouldn't ship the, you know, if the kit comes with 2 batteries, kind of wish they wouldn't ship one of the batteries installed on the tool. That could cause draw. Could cause it to pull the battery voltage down. So it's got 3 modes and a fastener tightening mode or an auto mode. It ramps up. All in all, it's a very nice kit for the price, and if you actually has a foam piece right here as well. But if you guys, you know, there's multiple ways you can look at it. You can look at it as that you paid the full retail price, $179 for the impact driver, and you got the charger, the 2 batteries, and the case for free. You could also look at it as the 2 batteries at $100 and $79 for the impact driver. That would be that price, and you got the box and the charger for free. It's a couple ways to look at it. I have the 1 key version of this, as well as now that one, and I also have the Surge. I have the M18 Surge, to be specific. So here's the 1 key model. 1 key, which is 285720. Here is the Surge, which is 276020. And then this guy is the 2853. So the 2853 and the 2857 is the part difference between the 1 key and the standard. But all in all, it's a nice kit. The store that I got it from had probably, I think it was roughly around, I don't know, 20 or so. This is everything you get. I don't have any of these standard chargers, so I'll give it a try. I have a bunch of rapid chargers. 1, 2, I have a third rapid charger in a different room. I have the dual rapid charger, and that's just the standard M12. But you know, I actually got it because I wanted I wanted the Packout and the batteries. And I figured, well, because the batteries went up to 129 for these two batteries, you know, pay the extra 40 bucks, and I'm pretty much getting the impact driver and a charger and a Packout case. That was the way I looked at it, which is, you know, another way you could look at it if you wanted to think about it that way. If you would have bought the batteries by itself, this whole Packout kit was $40 more. But, you know, just quick video. The box is in nice condition. It's pretty dusty. They had quite a bit of these. It looked, you know, they sold out of them, and then they got a bunch more, and then I saw that they sold out again, and then when I went earlier, they had a crap ton of them. So I'm assuming that they're just stockpiling the stores with these kits, trying to sell them. But I do appreciate you guys watching, checking out the video, hanging out with me today. It's a very nice box. I'm more than likely not going to leave this styrofoam in here or any of these items in here. This is probably going to get mounted on the wall. This is going to go into the toolbox. The batteries are going to go into the toolbox after I charge them. But, you know, the instruction manuals are going to go in the closet with the rest of the instruction manuals. But all in all, if you guys are looking at this kit, I wouldn't hesitate, especially if you want the batteries. Just, you know, pay the extra 40 something bucks plus the tax, which the tax really wasn't that much, and you know, grab it if you guys need it. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description down below, I also have a link for Ulsa Tools. If you click on that link, it'll get you guys 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off my next order from Ulsa Tools. Stick around if you guys hit the bell notification icon. I also got some videos coming out for some Capri tools that are going to be showing up. And the belt clip is actually what left the mark in the foam, you know. But appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and happy holidays. You know, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!